Market history and location today. We will go talk about the Vlekete Slave Market. I hope say I pronounce am well. But if I not pronounce am well, una when know the name when they Badagry or when they go there before, una go call and help me pronounce am and teach me. We know they know everything. The Vlekete Slave Market. Not forgetting the market history and location. All the while for market history and location, we dey talk about market where they sell things. But today, now market when they for sell human beings. Now we dey talk about today Vlekete Slave Market when they for Badagry, Lagos State. And according to history, they established this market in the year 1502. 1502. Now they established this market, ladies and gentlemen. And they say that name, that Vlekete Slave Market, the name, they say they named that market Vlekete after one particular goddess, the goddess of the ocean and wind. Yes, the goddess name now Vlekete or Vlekete, right? Anyway, like I talk, if you know how to pronounce them better than me, teach me when you call. And they say now one person who was a native of Owu Kingdom for Abeokuta. Yes, they say he was captured by European slave traders. They could carry and go that place, go that Vlekete Slave Market for where? For Badagry. Together with many other people, they could carry them go America, ladies and gentlemen. Now, in case you don't know, talking about slave trade, they say in those days, say even for the East self, they do slave trade. They say the Igbo traditionally, they maintain say the Osu people na outcast. And so they sell many of them enter slave trade that year for Igbo land. If you can't go to Sokoto Caliphate, they say not be smart, you know. They say na slave now work for their plantation, ladies and gentlemen, that time. Because they were very, 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 very powerful. If you cause it on the western part, the Yoruba land, of course, they still sell slaves for here, ladies and gentlemen. Right? They say people when they capture during wartime for the Yoruba part. I know if you pronounce them, but I go try. They say that they call them Iwofa. I hope say I pronounce that, but if I not try, when you call, you go teach me. You go teach us. So when they catch them during the wartime and criminals, now they sell. They will carry them. Go that Vlekete Slave Market. Go sell. Carry the enter ship. Push them. Go America. Push them. Go Oyibo land.
Hello, Ipopo.
Yes, so morning.
Good morning. I'm today from Badagry.
Talk to us.
Yeah, I'm actually talking. When I come and go to there by that place, is near that prison here there for Badagry.
Okay.
You go see them put their district for there, the sandbox for there.
Okay.
They near town hall for Badagry also. And they see this post well.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you talk. Naturally, they talk about them.
Wow. So you carry your shit and go that side.
Yes, for organization.
Okay.
Yeah, Badagry General Hospital. Yeah.
Yeah.
Naturally, they talk. Well done work.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. So now that year, people are calling in to say yes.
Market now, old market now.
Okay.
What be say now? Every people they come there, come buy many things for there.
Wow. Okay.
The old market now, but that's where it is.
The market still they operate as a normal market that be it all closed down.
It's still operating now old market.
Okay, so they sell normal things, not be human being that they sell for there, Abi?
No, not be one being, no slave trade again. No,
Okay.
no.
Okay. What will be the real pronunciation of that name?
But as if I say they change the name before now, Ibereko.
Okay.
But as they can't call another name now.
Because according to research, when I do that 1805 when they established the thing, so now the name when they give them that year, ladies and gentlemen, that 1805, ladies and gentlemen, they established in 1505, but in the year 1805 they sell many people from Abeokuta where that year. Thank you, madam. Somebody does send me the actual pronunciation for that name of the market. Right? Yeah. And see the person say, when I hear.
This one be saying my Kaba history carry on this morning. No problem. Right on. I did.
Make I play the
Kwanza. That market we mentioned na
Vlekete. Okay.
That be the pronunciation.
All right. He said na Vlekete. That be the pronunciation. Not be Vlekete. Vlekete. Right. Then somebody else don't send me the proper name of that market. Sorry, the name of people when they catch for war. For Yoruba land. She said ratata. The real pronunciation she just send me to.
Hello, Ratata. Good morning. The right pronunciation of that word is Iwofa. Iwofa.
The research talk say from the east, the Osu people, when they regard to as outcasts, they carry them, sell them into slave trade. Yeah, you don't understand. Also, the Sokoto Caliphate do their own, and of course, from the west, Iwofa. People when they catch for war and criminals, they sell them into slave trade.
That also of a thing is still existing. Like me, I'm from Enugu State. It's still existing, but you cannot just open your mouth and call someone that is that Osu. If you open your mouth and say it publicly, you are in trouble.
Okay.
So, but it's still in existence. Even they have not started marrying, even though Christianity has come in.
Yeah.
But it's still existing.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Because
thank you. I'm happy to hear your voice. So
same here. Because
I've been trying this line since last 2 years.
All right, thank you. Because in those days, now people like that, now they sell into slavery when they carry go these Vlekete slave markets. Hello, there the 4 lines. Okay, will they pick the calls? Hello, talk to us sharply, no time. Hello. Yeah, morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Ratata.
Ma?
Like, what did this woman talk just now, like that, where they talk?
Yeah.
The thing won't bring problem for one family, for my village.
Okay.
You know what happened?
No.
They come, they tell the small girl, they tell him boyfriend, say, see, are you from where? Are you from Osu family? The boy just quiet, quickly go ask his parents, say, see what so person tell him. Not be small thing, they carry fight go.
Hey, yeah.
You know what happened? They can't say, no, it's so shit, no, they talk anything. I don't know where this people for the talk more. They don't know, no, come marry our picky. All of us now one, no. All of us now one. See fight, war.
Wow.
The whole, they can't take some village, may they come back, go.
Okay.
That is what you know.
Right.
Oh, yeah, may they come marry.
Yeah.
I saw good. No, not they not. I will go tell them. They come to me.
So they come marry last.
May they come marry. They never marry. They never marry. Now small children. You know now what they happen now.
Yeah.
They never marry. They say, the parents of the girl say, "I'm gonna come marry him." No wahala. No wahala. Instead of to make wahala, that wahala they carry problem come with the parents where they go. The boy where he go tell the parents.
All right.
They can't carry fight. Come. Don't be small thing, no. Not true.
Okay, thank you so much.
The thing is, such they this like that again. No.
All right, thank you. All right, so no worry, Madam Dovion Care Product. No worry. Tomorrow we'll go run your matter. We'll go. Yes, I don't see your message, right? All right. Hello, there the 4 lines. Your radio, kill the volume. Pata pata.
Hello, Rat.
Your radio, reduce the volume. Pata pata.
Ratata.
Ma, good morning, ma.
Good morning.
Yeah.
That Osu of 18, like in my place, it still there exists, but there's one problem there now. Them, they like to, those people, they make trouble. Let me say, if you come to my place, they always make trouble. There is one character they used to behave that, and for marriage, people don't used to marry them. They can hide and do friendship, but for marriage, nobody used to marry them at all. People, they avoid them well.
All right, thank you so much. Like we talk back then in those days, from all those 1502 and all that, right? We talk about the Vlekete, right, slave market, and we'll give you example of the kind of people when they sell into slavery that year from the north, from the from the east, and of course from the west, right? So we give an example. And that madam when send that name say Iwofa, I also put that away. If I don't forget again, I beg you. Then you suit to they set them into slavery. And of course, people when they catch for when the Sokoto Caliphate still catch, they still sell people like that into slavery. They carry them go to that market. They have Vlekete, a slave market for Badagry. Market history and location.
Chook out. Wazobia 95.1.